Welcome NEET aspirants. So today we see the questions from biology. So all the 90 questions, we see the clear explanation and the solution also. So in the above represented plasmid, as alien piece of DNA is inserted at EcoR1 site, which of the following strategies will be chosen to select the recombinant colonies? So here the answer is option A. White color colonies will be selected. So because the insertion of alien piece of DNA at EcoR1 site in the given plasmid will lead to the insertional inactivation. So in this an alien piece of DNA, if it is inserted within the coding sequence of the enzyme, so that is beta galactosidase, this results into the inactivation for this gene to synthesize this enzyme. So these colonies do not produce any color. So these colonies are marked as recombinant colonies. So if the plasmid in the bacterium does not have an insert, that is, it is non-recombinant. So the presence of this chromogenic substrate that gives the blue colored colonies. Next, the protein part of the enzyme is called. So it is called as the apoenzyme, because here the enzymes could be simple or conjugated. So that is, we call it as a holoenzyme. So the conjugated enzyme, that is holoenzyme, it is formed of two parts. The protein part called apoenzyme and the non-protein part that is called as the cofactor. So the cofactor are bounded to the enzyme so to make it catalytically active. So there are three types of cofactors, that is prosthetic groups, coenzymes and metal ions. Next, given below are two statements. So that is, the primary source of energy in an ecosystem is solar energy. The rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis in an ecosystem is called net primary productivity. So that is the statement 2. So in the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So here the statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect, because the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis in an ecosystem that we generally called as a gross primary productivity. So here the considerable amount of GPP is utilized by the autotrophs, that is by the plants, in respiration. Gross primary productivity minus respiration losses, that is the R, is the net primary productivity, that is NPP. So the GPP minus R equal to NPP. Next, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is the reason. So here the assertion is, a typical unfertilized angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is 8 nucleate and 7-celled. Reason, the egg apparatus has 2 polar nuclei. So here we can say that the option A is true but R is false. So there is a characteristic distribution of the cells within the unfertilized angiosperm embryo sac. So the three cells are grouped together at the micropylar end and it constitutes the egg apparatus. So the egg apparatus in turn, it is consist of 2 synergids and 1 egg cell. So the synergids have the specialized thickening, so that we call it as the micropylar tip, that is the filiform apparatus. So you know that which plays a very important role in guiding the pollen tubes into the synergid. So the 3 cells at the chenazal end is called as the antipodals. So the large central cell is called as the 2 polar nuclei. So thus a typical unfertilized angiosperm, that is its embryo sac at maturity will be having the 8 nucleate and then the 7-celled condition. Next, neoplastic characteristic of cells refers to. So it refers to a mass of proliferating cell, a rapid growth of cells, and then the invasion and damage to the surrounding tissue. That is option D. So here the malignant tumors are the mass of proliferating cells, that is dividing cells. So that we call it as the neoplastic or tumor cells. So these cells, that will divide very rapidly and it will invade and it will damage the surrounding normal tissue. So these cells do not remain confined to the original location. So So the cells that got sloughed off from that, it forms a tumors and it may reach the distant site. So that is with the help of the blood, or whether they get locked in the body or they start a new tumor tissues also. So this property we call it as a metastasis. So here we know it is the most feared property of the malignant tumors. That is a metastasis stage. That is a secondary tumor we can say. So the benign tumors, normally it will be in its original place. That means it will be in its the original location, and it will not, generally it will not start to spread. But in metastasis stage, it will start to spread. Next, which one of the following is a characteristic feature of gymnosperms? The characteristic feature of gymnosperms are the seeds are naked, because the gymnosperms are the plants in which the ovules are not enclosed by the ovary wall. So it remain exposed. So here like before or like the after the fertilization, so the seeds that develop post fertilization are not covered. So that means it is naked. The angiosperms that bears the flowers for sexual reproduction. So the seeds are enclosed in the fruits in the angiosperms. Next, so in the match, so which forms the correct matches here? So the match the list 1 with the list 2. So here we can say that the progesterone. So that is the progesterone as the corpus luteum, and then the relaxin, so with the ovary, and melanocyte stimulating hormone, that is pars intermedia, and catecholamines, so that is the adrenal medulla. Next, which chromosome in the human genome has the highest number of genes? So that is chromosome 1. So in human genome, the chromosome that has the highest number of genes, so that is 2968 genes. And the Y has the fewest gene, that is 231. Next, which of the following statement about Rubisco is true? So that is answer is, it catalyzes the carboxylation of RUBP. So here in this statement, the carboxylation, you know that it is the fixation of carbon dioxide into the stable organic intermediate. So it is a most crucial step of the Calvin cycle. So where CO2 is utilized in the carboxylation of RUBP. So this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme Rubisco. So that results in the formation of the two molecules of the 3-phosphoglyceric acid, or 3-PGA, which we generally say. So that is the first stable product of photosynthesis. So the Rubisco, it has a high affinity for CO2. So when in the ratio of CO2 to O2 is nearly equal. So at mild temperature, the Rubisco has high affinity for CO2. So that is about 80 times higher than the affinity towards the oxygen. So in addition, the Rubisco, it has a higher affinity for O2 when temperature increases. So the phenomenon of breaking up of water into hydrogen and oxygen, that is eliminated in the chloroplast, is called photolysis or photocatalytic splitting of water. So the water splitting complex is always associated with the photosystem 2, so which itself is physically located on the inner surface of the thylakoid membrane. So there is no role of Rubisco in photolysis of water. Next, the first menstruation is called as, so it is called as menarche. So the first menstruation begins at a puberty and is called as the menarche. So the menstrual cycle ceases around the 50 years of age in human females, and it is called as menopause. Next, which of the following genetically engineered organisms was used by Eli Lilly to prepare human insulin? So that is answer, bacterium. So in 1983, the Eli Lilly is an American company. So first prepared 2 DNA sequences corresponding to the A peptide and then the B peptide of human insulin, and introduced them in the plasmids of E. coli. So that is the enteric bacterium. So to produce insulin chains. So the chain A and B were produced separately, and they were extracted separately and combined by creating the disulfide bonds. So to form the human insulin, and the trade name we call it as a Humulene. Next, so given below are 2 statements. One is labeled, that is assertion is, And the other one is the reason. Assertion, all vertebrates and chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Reason, the members of subphylum Vertebra possesses notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in adults. So here we can say that the option C. So that is both A and then the R are true. And next, the streptokinase produced by bacterium Streptococcus is used for. So it is used for the removing clots from blood vessels. So the streptokinase produced by the bacterium Streptococcus and modified by genetic engineering, and it is used as the clot buster for removing the clots and from the blood vessels. So here, like the patients who have undergone the myocardial infarction that leads to the heart attack. Next, the role of the water vascular system in echinodermis is. So here we can say that the answer is, that is the D. So that is the most distinctive feature of echinodermis is the presence of water vascular system. So that helps in the locomotion and then capture and transport of food and the respiration process also. So again the match type question, that is the D is the correct option. So that is the pteridophyte, that is the Salvinia, and then so the bryophyte. So here we can say that that is the Polytrichum. And then the angiosperm, so that is the salvia, and then the gymnosperm, that is the ginkgo. Next, so what are the correct? So in all these given sentences, which one is the correct options? So that is the B, the A, and then the C. So these are the correct options, because here we can say that the chemotherapeutic drugs are they are called as the cytotoxic agents, so that will kill or inhibit the growth of the rapidly dividing cancer cells. So in case of leukemia, so the blood cells counts will be increased. Next, what are the potential drawbacks in adoption of the IVF method? So that is, here we can say that the potential drawback of this IVF method, we can say that is the C option, because IVF can pose health risk to the mother. So here we can say that through the high fatality is rare, IVF that requires a highly precise handling by the specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation also. So therefore these facilities are presently available in very rarely a few centers. So in IVF, all embryos would probably not survive. So increased use of IVF may reduce the number of people considering adoption. So the legal adoption or orphaned children is one of the best method for couples that are looking for the parenthood. Next, so considering the following, so among this the correct answer will be the only A and B are the true. So the reductive division for the human female gametogenesis, it will start earlier than that of the male gametogenesis. And then, so here we can say that the gap between the first meiotic division and second meiotic division is much shorter for males compared to the females. Next, so in bryophytes, the gamete help in which one of the following? So that is, it helps in the asexual reproduction, because the asexual reproduction in liverworts, that is bryophyte, that takes place by the formation of the specialized structures that we call it as the gamete cups. So given the two statements, assertion, the primary function of the Golgi apparatus is to package the materials that is made by the endoplasmic reticulum and deliver it to intracellular targets and outside the cell. Reason, the vesicles containing materials made by the endoplasmic reticulum, they fuse with the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus and are modified and released from the trans phase of the Golgi apparatus. So here we can say that both the options, that is A and then the R, assertion and reason, are true, and R is the correct explanation of the A. So thank you children, and for the remaining other 45 questions, stay tuned to NEET Nexus Universe.